Question number 1.
Cats live in people's homes. Where do most alligators live? The answer is, in rivers.
Question number 2.
Most camels live in places that are very hot.
Question number 3.
Many kinds of animals are extinct. This means they are not alive.
Question number 4.
Which of the following are domesticated animals? The answer is, dogs.
Question number 5.
Which of the following things might you find in a nest? The answer is, an egg.
Question number 6.
Which of the following is a crow? The answer is, a kind of bird.
Question number 7.
Which of the following things does an elephant have? The answer is, a long nose.
Question number 8.
An animal's habitat means the place where it lives.
Question number 9.
Most kangaroos live in which of the following countries? The answer is, Australia.
Question number 10.
Which of the following animals is a carnivore? The answer is, a lion.
Question number 11.
Which of the following animals is a mammal? The answer is, a monkey.
Question number 12.
Which of the following things might an omnivore eat? The answer is, all of the above.
Question number 13.
Penguins are black and white.
Question number 14.
Which of the following are known as wild animals? The answer is zebras.